safe with the SkyBell video doorbell. SkyBell sends live video of your front door to your smartphone so you can always know who's at the door.
Can I help you?
Somebody report a power outage?
Everything's fine in this house.
You must be mistaken.
Okay.
SkyBell has already helped customers prevent robberies before they happen. We also believe that the things that keep you safe should also keep you connected to the ones you love.
Daddy, I'm home from school and look what I made you.
Oh, that's great, sweetheart.
And make your life a little easier.
I have a package for Rachel.
Great, I'll be home soon. Can you leave it on the side of the house?
Sure.
Tired of visitors waking up your baby by pressing your doorbell? With the silent mode feature, you can turn off the indoor chime and still receive notifications on your phone. On sale now on Amazon Prime.